Hello friends, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I am going to tell you in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you largest abandoned city in the world. Friends, let's get start a video without any delay. Behind built as an luxury housing development, Tianjin emulates the famous French city of Lens in everything from the period correct architecture to a 300 football miniature Eiffel Tower. It even has a replica fountain from the Luxembourg Garden. But the city that could hold 10,000 residents has remained mostly abandoned save for employees of a nearby French themed amusement park according to City Lab. Our next city is Ashgabat, which is located in Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan is a former Soviet Union country with a leader that has been compared to North Korea Kim Jong-un. President Supermurat Niyazov planned to create a golden era of Turkmenistan in 1991 with the building of Ashgabat. He did so by erecting building that broke record, like becoming the city with the most marble building in the world. In fact, the city has 543 buildings made of the luxury material. Ashgabat also has the world's largest Ferris wheel. Today, the city is referred to as the City of the Dead because it appears empty. This is the part because of the country's isolated culture. Turkmenistan is one of the least visited countries in the world. Our next city is Krakow, which is located in Italy. Located in the Arch of Italy boost. The Krakow dates back to well before 1060 throughout the 1000-year history. Krakow saw many conflicts between monarchs, armies and political ideology. In 1963, the last 1,800 residents were forced to leave Krakow for their own safety and were relocated to Krakow Perchira, a new town in the valley below, according to ancient origins. Films such as Quantum of Solace and The Passion of the Christ have used the Italian ghost town to provide a spectacular and authentic setting to their stories. Despite being abandoned, Krakow remains one of Italy's popular tourist destinations and was added to the World Monument Fund watch list in 2010. And the next one is Centralia, which is located in Pennsylvania. A coal fire has been burning under the town of Centralia, Pennsylvania since 1962 and may not stop for 250 years. An attempt to clean up the local landfill in the coal seams under the surface of this small Pennsylvania town. In the years the fire has been burned, residents have slowly abandoned the house, fearing the fire beneath their feet and sudden sinkhole and carbon monoxide poisoning. Eminent domain was used to take control over most of Centralia's house, and the dozen or so remaining residents agreed to give their property to the government when they pass away. The state government condemned Centralia in 1992. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us which city you think like a strange. We will meet in next video. For that, take care.